I'm going to show you the filter. We got the filter in. Pete got the filter in. It is tight. We knew it would be, but that's okay. We're not living down here. So this is how it's going to look. There's two, well, this is how it does look. Two filters here now. And you can see they're hooked up equally. So, as you remember, the other filter used to be right there. And we couldn't put the other one out here. It would, it would be way out here and we wouldn't even have room to get by. So I like what they did here. Just put them both as close that way as possible. So I was telling you about the final being the only I'm trying to say the only problem we have or violation or whatever they might come up with is the distance from this to the breaker box. And it's supposed to be 3 foot and we're at 2'10". So my plan was to have them so we could unhook one and just cap it off. But the way this is set up, I don't know if that's going to be possible. It's going to be real obvious. I don't think it's going to be a problem. I don't know if he's going to bring his tape measure out. I mean, that looks like 3 foot to me, like it is. And if something had to be done, I could move this over 2 inches. We could get it done. And you might ask why we didn't do that in the first place, but we're pretty close to this motor right as it is. I mean, the bottom line is this is smarter than moving that over 2 inches and having our 3 foot, 2'10", 3 foot. I mean, come on. It's so you don't have your hand in this water and then, I don't know, start flipping breakers at the same time or something. You try to idiot proof it, but anyway, I think this will be fine. I don't think this will be a problem. We'll have Bob look at it when he comes. We're not getting the final for a while, so I'm sure he'll have some ideas too, as well as Pete when he comes up. So anyway, but I like it. I think it looks good. It's easy to maintain. I can change both of these filters without a problem. And like I say, they're out of the way enough where I can get by here. And once I get this door out of here, just wanted to, before I put that door back on, just want to make sure everything's working and we're not blaming it on airflow because the door doesn't have enough vents in it. I tried to contact the electrician about this part he's going to bring for the water heater because this keeps doing this. You know what? I'm going to reset it because I got this turned off. They wanted it off for 24 hours. I turned it off for 3 days for the glue to set. They said the longer the better, so I was like, why not leave it off? There's no sense in turning it back on. The pool's not being used right now. So anyway, so I'll turn that back on. Probably tomorrow I'll have more time. I'll come up and be able to watch it, turn it on and watch it and check it and do all that. So, but for now, since it's off, I am going to reset this and see if this thing but first I have to go turn the gas on. I forgot I got the gas off. Anyway, I'm going to turn this on without the pool going. If that thing trips and has an air coat on it, that means it has nothing to do with the pool. Could have something to do with the gas coming in, but most likely, hopefully, it's that part that he ordered. And like I said, I contacted him, I haven't heard back yet. But we'll get that going. So anyway, and then I had the propane guy came up. They got an alert that the tank was low, like I had told you. And so anyway, they put 275 gallons in. So we'll have to figure that out. We'll have to work that out, and I want to pay my part on that for leaving it on that time. And but anyway, we'll deal with that. So that's it.